Good morning. Advent day 3, and we've got another bestseller. We've got our Suede Ztop Sacs, a very neat, small, but it isn't small because any minute now I'm going to show you its capacity, but it's a neat little crossbody that is perfect for hands-free, lightweight, whatever, but it's ultra secure. So as you can, I'll tell you the price. It's half price, and that is reduced from £105 to £52.50. So a very good price. And I'll tell you the colours. We've got 6 colours. We've got the navy, the dark chocolate brown, I think we call it steel grey, but it's a grey. There's the watermelon, the ginger, and the fuchsia. They've all got the same different features, the same features that I'm going to show you now. So first thing is, it's got a softy, skinny, but softy but strong leather strap, and it's got the OB insignia. They are removable and they are adjustable, so you've got plenty of length there. I haven't got it on full droop. If I do, you know, even with me, you can see it's going to be one of those that you walk along and it's hitting you on the bum all the time. So plenty of length, and of course you can shorten it if you're one of these people that wears it more like a sling bag. So let me show you what I've put in here so you can get an appreciation of the capacity. So as much as I haven't ever used it, there's my comb, some tissues, there's my glasses case, there's my coin purse with the coins in it. What else have I got in here? I've got just a little bit of perfume. There's some hand cleanser, and I need a lip balm. So, oh no, and is there more? No, everything else is in the back. So in the back, I've obviously got my cards, all my cards and my cash, well, my notes, and I like me earbuds. So that shows you the kind of capacity that this will take. So it is a really generous amount of capacity. YKK zippers, as you know, on the back, so nice and secure against your body. And as we've talked about in the past, the fold over is what we're told by those in police and security is the biggest deterrent against pickpocketing and stealing, because if you snapped it together with the little mag dot, then folded it over, there's no way that anybody's getting in quickly to steal the contents. So a perfect bag for traveling, for holidays, for sightseeing, hands-free, close to your body. You can see skinny and lightweight. So also for when you're in the shops, when you're, you know, handling the kids, whatever you're doing. And the thing of it is the glorious, glorious suede. Very, very much on trend, very popular. It's always been a good seller for us, but the addition of the little zipper on the back where you put your passport and travel docs, tickets, etc. is just another step up again. So I've told you, I think I've told you all about it. What else have I got? Tell them anything else? No? Can you think of it? Covered it? Yes. So that was it then. I covered it. 105 down to 52.50. 6 colours. Good capacity, perfect for life, just life really. Whatever it wants to throw at you, you can hit it round the head with one of these bags. Okie dokie, I think that's me for Advent Day 3. I'm going to see you tomorrow, folks. Have a good one.